TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 12 noon Eastern time on Monday, middle of the trading day. And we have markets in positive territory, but pretty dramatically off the highs. S&P is currently positive by 18 points. Currently trading at 2777. You got the Dow up 168 points, trading at 25,707. Excuse me, Dow was up over 500 points at one point, futures-wise, coming into that market early in the day. NASDAQ up 69 points, trading at 7,400 on the dot. We got some action in gold, up $13, trading at $1239.50. Got some action in oil, up $1.32, trading at $52.27. We got lower interest rates as we have higher price in notes and bonds. 10-year note at 119.18, up 4 ticks. 30-year bond up 13 ticks at 140.10. And we have that spread between the 2-year and the 10-year now at 19 ticks, as we have the 10-year at about 3% and we have the 2-year at about 2.81%. Quite a number. Dollar index off 356 ticks at 96,840. And to jump over to take a look at what we have happening in this market in terms of news stories out there, I wanted to see if it came up. So we're going to have Altria, it seems, in talks to buy the cannabis company Cronos. Lots going on in the cannabis sector today. We're going to jump to a couple of them right now. We'll take a look. Here is Cronos. You'll see the spike on that rumor, whether it's report. We have Cronos spiking from about 850 up to almost 1075. Quite a climb. And to get into that news, there it is. You have Altria in talks to acquire Cronos, and it would make sense, right, that you have those cigarette companies trying to get into that cannabis industry. Another story out there on the cannabis sector is Afria, down dramatically, off almost 30%. And to get into the news there, Tom and I talked about it on our show at 10 o'clock this morning. You have Afria being targeted by a short seller, but what they're saying is pretty substantial, as you have Gabriel Grego, the founder of Quintessential Capital Management, talking about that company executives have diverted about half of their net assets, into inflated investments held by insiders. Basically a scam. Let's see how that is reacting. Quite a number, as you have Afria, down $2.14 at 837. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Basil Chapman coming up right now at the Tiger Technicians Hour. Dave White live at 2 o'clock, and we got a special treat from 3 till 5. Stay tuned, folks. Basil Chapman coming up right now.